Hello everyone, I'm so excited you're here with me today. It's Pony, and today we're diving into the magical world of K-pop demon hunters, a place where music, fantasy and fierce style collide in the most dazzling way. We're creating a look inspired by ZOEY, the group's lead dancer and vocalist, who's known for her electrifying stage presence and bold, unforgettable style. By day, she's a global superstar, dazzling fans with her performances. By night, she transforms into a fearless demon hunter, battling mischievous demons with her signature flair and confidence. ZOEY's look is a blend of sweet K-pop idol and fierce demon hunter. Think candy-colored hair, sparkling eyes, and a confident glow that lights up any room she enters. Her duality, strong yet gentle, powerful yet playful, makes her a true inspiration for fans everywhere, showing us that you can be both tough and kind. Her makeup is as dynamic as her personality. Soft K-beauty meets sharp, defined lines, creating a look that's both approachable and striking. It's a look that shines on stage under the brightest lights and stands out even in the mysterious shadows of the night. Today, we'll capture ZOEY's magic together, step by step, so you can channel her energy and creativity in your own style. Whether you're a longtime fan of K-pop or just love experimenting with creative makeup, this tutorial is for you. No experience needed. We'll show you how to bring ZOEY's vibrant spirit to life, using bold colors and playful techniques that anyone can try. Get ready to play with color, experiment with new looks, and transform yourself into your own version of a K-pop demon hunter. This look is perfect for cosplay, parties, or just taking some amazing selfies to share with your friends and followers. Let's unlock the secrets to ZOEY's enchanting style and step into a world where beauty and magic go hand in hand. ZOEY's makeup stands out for its perfect balance. Soft K-pop innocence meets bold warrior energy. Her look features gentle gradient lips, soft blush, and striking graphic eyeliner. Inspired by the claymation world of K-pop demon hunters, her makeup is flawless, matte, and vibrant. Unblended, bold eyeshadows and bright, optimistic colors reflect her personality. Bubblegum pinks, corals, and lavenders make her instantly recognizable. Strong eyeliner and defined brows add a touch of fierce determination. ZOEY's style is versatile. Adaptable for cosplay or everyday wear, it's more than a costume. It's a creative way to express yourself. Her look inspires us to be both cute and powerful. Let's gather our magical tools for the ZOEY transformation. To create her signature look, you'll need a few essentials. Primer to smooth your skin, a medium to full coverage foundation for that flawless, even base, and concealer to brighten and perfect any areas that need a little extra help. Next, set everything in place with a light dusting of translucent powder. This step helps your makeup last all day and keeps shine at bay, giving you a soft airbrushed finish. For the eyes, start with an eyeshadow primer to make your colors pop and prevent creasing. Choose a palette with bright pink, shimmery white or silver, and a neutral brown for depth and dimension. Add a bold black liquid eyeliner to define your eyes and create that iconic, expressive look ZOEY is known for. Finish the eyes with a few coats of mascara, and for extra idol glamour, pop on a pair of natural-looking false lashes to make your eyes truly stand out. For cheeks, reach for a bright coral or pink blush to add a lively, youthful flush. Use a subtle contour or a cool-toned bronzer to softly sculpt your features, and make sure you have the right brushes for seamless blending. Keep the blush soft and energetic. Think a gentle, healthy glow rather than anything too harsh or dramatic. For lips, start by muting your natural color with a dab of concealer or foundation. This creates a blank canvas for the next step. Then apply a bright pink or cherry red lip tint, focusing the color in the center for a fresh, youthful effect. Lip tints are perfect for achieving that signature K-beauty gradient, making your lips look soft and naturally vibrant. If you want an extra touch of shine, add a layer of clear gloss for a plump, juicy finish that catches the light beautifully. Remember, you don't need fancy or expensive products. What matters most is your technique and how you use these basics to create magic. With these essentials in your toolkit, you're ready to start the transformation. Let's get started and bring ZOEY's look to life. Time to transform. Begin by smoothing on a lightweight primer, focusing on areas where makeup tends to fade or settle. This step creates a flawless canvas and helps your look last all day. Next, apply foundation for a semi-matte, flawless base. Use a brush or sponge to blend evenly, making sure to cover any redness or uneven skin tone for a natural finish. Conceal under eyes and on any blemishes, then set everything with a light dusting of powder to lock it in place and prevent creasing. For brows, go straight and full. Keep them soft and not too dark for a youthful animated look. Next, apply eye primer to ensure your shadow pops and stays vibrant. Now, pack a bright pink shadow onto your lids, taking it up to the crease. Don't blend the edges. Keep them bold and graphic for that signature ZOEY drama. Add a pop of shimmery white or silver to the inner corners and along the lower lash line to open up your eyes and add instant brightness. Draw a long, sharp, dramatic wing with black liquid liner. Extend it outward for a fierce, eye-catching effect that channels ZOEY's bold energy. Finish the eyes with a generous coat of mascara, and if you want extra drama, add a pair of false lashes for that wide-eyed, animated look. For cheeks, sweep bright pink blush onto the apples and blend upwards toward your temples for a lively, energetic flush. Mute your lips with a touch of concealer to prep for the next step. Dab a vivid pink tint right in the center of your lips to create a playful, doll-like effect. Gently blend the tint outward for a soft gradient look that's both cute and trendy. Add a dab of clear gloss to the center for extra shine and a juicy dimensional finish. The result? ZOEY's signature cute meets fierce look. Playful, powerful, and ready to turn heads. You're ready for the stage, a photo shoot, or even your next demon hunt. Transformation complete. Now go own your spotlight. To nail ZOEY's claymation-inspired style, focus on a smooth, doll-like finish. Apply base makeup evenly, set with powder, and use a satin finish spray for seamless skin. Pack on bright pink shadow for a bold color block. Don't overblend. Sharp graphic eyeliner is key. Make your wing thick and confident. Try adding a tiny dot or a second wing for extra flair. Use waterproof liner for crisp lines all day. For highlights, skip shimmer. Use a clear balm on cheekbones and nose for a natural sculpted sheen. These details bring the animated, magical effect to life. Embrace bold lines and color for true ZOEY energy. Your look will pop on camera and in person. ZOEY's look is all about harmony between makeup, costume and props. Match your pinks in eyeshadow, blush and costume for a cohesive effect. Use setting spray for long wear and keep lip tint and powder handy for touch-ups. If you're wearing a pink wig, tint your brows to match for a seamless transition. Let your makeup echo your props, sparkly lids for a glittery mic, sharp liner for a sleek weapon. Add small details like a hand-drawn star or glitter to reflect ZOEY's accessories. These touches elevate your cosplay from costume to character. When everything works together, you don't just look like ZOEY, you feel like her. Makeup and costume are just the start. Now bring ZOEY to life. Channel her bubbly idol side with bright smiles, heart hands, and playful poses. For her demon hunter side, stand tall, look fierce, and strike dynamic, action-ready stances. Use props to add drama, hold your weapon or mic with confidence. Suggest movement, flick your hair, kick out a leg, or freeze a dance move. Play with camera angles, low for heroic, high for cute. Most importantly, have fun and let your personality shine. Don't stress about perfection. Genuine energy makes the best photos. Put on some K-pop Demon Hunters music and get into character. Show the world your ZOEY magic. This is your moment to shine.